Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with QuickBooks in 2026. Still entering Wix orders manually into QuickBooks? Let's automate everything. And let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your account. Make sure you have a Wix website with payments. You're going to go to wix.com and make sure you sign in with your accounts and make sure to do your payments there. The second thing is a QuickBooks online account. And to do that, you're going to go to quickbooks.initiate.com global and make sure to log in with your account. You're going to click on the login here. Make sure to create an account or log in with a new account. You can see the plans here and the pricing. After that, you're going to open the Wix app market by going to Wix dashboard and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this app section. From the left side menu, you're going to click on App Market. And from there, you're going to look for the QuickBooks connector. You're going to choose this application right here. And you're going to click on Add to Site. Now, you're going to click on Agree. You're going to read the agreements. Then click on Agree and Add. And after that, you're going to connect QuickBooks and log into your QuickBooks account. After that, and always authorize Wix access. Fourth thing to do is to sync data. You're going to choose what data to sync, like orders, customers, or taxes, and enable automatic syncing. And the final thing to do is to place a test order and check QuickBooks for the transaction. Now, work best with QuickBooks Online and check the tax settings carefully and always sync. And synchronization may take a few minutes. And that's it. Wix and QuickBooks are now connected. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.